Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 16 Pro 128 gigabytes, and you can see the battery capacity is 92% and the cycle 440 times, and you can see LL version, and this is also unlocked one. You can see, and you see no problem. The previous owner, the case printer, you can see here. Okay, here, no scratches, no dents. The corner, no problem. The corner, no problem. And let me show you the information. iPhone 15 Pro LL version and 128 gigabyte. Also, you can see the no SIM unlocked one, and let me show you the battery information. Okay, the battery capacity is 90% and the size count 440. Okay, let me show you the screen quality. You can see at this color, you can see the display is okay. The display is okay. And okay here, but that's no problem. And okay here, no problem, no scratch. The beautiful screen. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, I will share more information about the iPhone. And you can subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. And you can see here is a big shop for the iPhone. And you can see. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, see you in the next video.